Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The glow from the MSI Cyborg 15 is not just from its RGB keyboard. It's a beacon of potent tech wizardry, calling out to all gamers who dare to level up their play. With a chassis screaming of futuristic cool and internals that might make your desktop blush. This isn't merely a machine, it's a teleportation device to the metaverse of your favorite games. If your last interaction with a gaming laptop was a forgettable encounter with a clunky, limp-along unit, the MSI Cyborg 15 is here to reboot your expectations and redefine what you consider possible from a portable gaming powerhouse. Before diving into the nitty-gritty details, it's crucial to lay out what to expect as we dissect this technological marvel. Futuristic design. A new dawn for gamers. The MSI Cyborg 15 looks like what would happen if a stealth fighter jet and a high-end gaming console had a love child. With sharp angles and a black matte finish accented by customizable RGB lighting, it catches the eye and dares you not to stare. It's clear MSI threw the conventional design playbook out the window when they dreamt up this beast. Sitting just under £5, the laptop is surprisingly portable for all its visual heft. Every port you could need wraps its sides, accommodating gamers, streamers, and multitasking digital warriors alike. But what lifts the MSI Cyborg 15 above mere aesthetics is its thermal engineering. With heightened vent designs and dedicated heat pipes, it promises sustained performance without turning into a lap scorcher during intense gaming sessions. The I/O panel is generous, supporting HDMI, USB-C, a headphone jack, and more. A feature not overlooked by gamers who loathe the unnecessary dongle life. This thoughtful layout maximizes both form and function, marrying stunning design with serious gaming logistics. Unpack the power. A deep dive into performance. If the design of the MSI Cyborg 15 is a revolution, its performance is a full-blown coup. Inside, it houses an Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti GPU, a tandem that guarantees to run even the most demanding games with surreal smoothness and utter immersion. From AAA titles to indie darlings, this laptop handles graphic-intensive scenes and fast-paced action without skipping a beat or dropping a frame. Benchmarking tests reveal a machine that doesn't just keep up. It leads, often surpassing competitors and even older gaming desktops. RAM and storage configurations can be dialed up to impressive heights, offering 32 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB SSD storage, ensuring lightning-fast load times and a library that's always ready to go. The 144 Hz refresh rate of the display ensures silky transitions that make gameplay not only fluid, but joyful. User experience. Customization at your fingertips. Beyond performance and design, the MSI Cyborg 15 excels in creating a user-centric gaming environment. The pre-installed MSI Center software allows for deep customization of both the hardware performance settings and the aesthetic choices. Gamers can fine-tune their system's cooling, monitor performance in real time, and adjust audio settings for whether they're in a firefight or meditative exploration. The RGB lighting is not just for show. It can be configured to respond to game sounds, adding another layer to the immersive gaming experience. Keyboard responsiveness is something MSI has notably ramped up, making every key press satisfyingly tactile with minimum lag. The sound quality from the onboard speakers is robust, adding depth and dimension to the gaming soundscape. Coupled with the crisp visuals of its full HD display, the sensory experience the Cyborg 15 delivers is both expansive and explosive. Battlefield test, gaming experience and competitor comparison. The true test of any gaming machine is in the heat of the action. In contemporary landscapes such as Cyberpunk 2077 and classic combats like Counter-Strike, the MSI Cyborg 15 not only performed, it excelled. Smooth rendering at high settings, no compromise on motion clarity, and a responsiveness that keeps you in sync with the flow of action underline its capabilities. When pitted against competitors like the Asus ROG Strix and Dell Alienware M15, the Cyborg stands its ground with standout features. Its advantage lies not just in the sheer power, but how that power is managed and made accessible to the gamer through thoughtful features and intuitive design. Its suitability for different types of gamers, hardcore casual or creators, is evident in its versatility. The Cyborg 15 is not just a tool for victory in virtual battles. It is a companion for every step of the journey in your gaming world. In conclusion, the MSI Cyborg 15 is more than just a high-caliber gaming laptop. It's a peek into what the future of gaming mobility could be. For gamers looking to optimize performance without compromising on design or usability, the Cyborg 15 represents not just a solid choice, but a leap forward. Replete with cutting-edge features and futuristic aesthetics. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe for the latest and greatest products.